Thanks for your support, and this video is all about valve clearance with these shims and how to adjust the valves. Thanks. Cylinder head is refurbished, so I need to check the valve clearance. I will use these feeler gauges, 0.05 to 0.30 millimeters.
You can do it, you can do it, you can move so fast and you feel it. When you hear the wind in your ears, you have known for so many years. You can do it, you can do it, you were born to be doing it, so do it. You can do everything that you want. You can do it, you can do it, you can move so fast and you feel it. When you hear the wind in your ears, you've known it for so many years. You can do it, you can do it.
I want to show you how I calculate the valve clearance with this excellent sheet. Okay, first of all, I changed the inches to millimeters because I calculate the tolerances or the clearances with millimeters. Just type millimeter here, and then there is this optional sealant allowance box. You can leave it blank. I did because I used Permabond A136 as a sealant, so it's so thin layer of sealant. And then you need to just enter the shim thickness here. I had a 2.39 millimeter thick shim, and with that shim I measure the clearance, and the clearance with that shim, that 2.39 shim, was 0.10 millimeters. And then this sheet shows you that the right and the correct shim thickness is 2.31, and with that shim thickness you'll get the correct clearance on that valve. Specifications is between 0.13 and 0.18, and the best option for this is 0.15. This one. Good. Number 4, good. All of the rest are 0.015 millimeters, except this one. It's between 15 and 10. 10 going really easy. 15 it's not going. It goes a bit, so it's more than 10, less than 15, the exhaust. It's between 0.20 and 0.31. The best option is this one, 25. 25, easy, not 30. It goes, but it's really hard. So 25, okay. 25 goes easy. 30, no, 30 goes, but it's getting stuck, so it's right there. Number 1. 25, it's really tight. 30, everything is okay. Thank you for your support.